Mitsubishi Outlander leak repairs. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Minato, Tokyo, Japan. In 2011, Mitsubishi Motors was the sixth largest Japanese automaker and the 19th largest worldwide by production. The 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander isn't remotely as compelling as other compact crossovers. For good reasons. And its biggest selling point is now its only selling point. While we've always appreciated the Outlander's unique plug-in hybrid FE powertrain, it's now the only powertrain. That means shoppers can no longer get a model with a third row. And the most affordable version now costs over $37,000, which is about $11,000 more than last year's gas-powered base model before any federal tax incentives. The Outlander FE also isn't as special as it once was because rivals offer plug-in models too, such as the Ford Escape and the Toyota RAV4 Prime. Routine service and maintenance are crucial to keep your Mitsubishi Outlander in good condition and ensure its longevity. The specific service needs may vary depending on your Outlander's model year, engine type, and mileage. However, here are some general service and maintenance tasks that are typically recommended for Mitsubishi Outlander vehicles. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine well lubricated and functioning properly. The recommended oil change interval can vary depending on the type of oil used, but it's typically advised every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tire rotation. Rotating the tires regularly, usually every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, helps ensure even tire wear and extends the lifespan of your tires. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are important for safety. Brake pads and rotors should be checked, and replacements made when necessary. Air filter replacement. The engine and cabin air filters should be checked and replaced as needed to maintain engine performance and air quality inside the vehicle. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off or replace various fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Battery service. Keep an eye on your car's battery health and replace it if it's nearing the end of its lifespan to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Spark plug replacement. The spark plugs play a crucial role in engine performance. They should be replaced as recommended in the owner's manual, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of plugs used. Belt and hose inspection. Regularly inspect and replace worn or damaged belts and hoses to avoid potential breakdowns. Suspension and alignment. Regularly check the suspension components, and if your vehicle is experiencing handling issues or uneven tire wear, consider an alignment check. Vehicle service schedule. Consult your Mitsubishi Outlander's owner's manual for a specific service schedule that corresponds to your vehicle's model year and engine type. Recalls and technical service bulletins (TSBs). Stay informed about any recalls or TSBs related to your specific model year of the Outlander. Dealerships typically address these concerns during routine maintenance. For a more personalized and precise service schedule, it's recommended to consult your vehicle's owner's manual, which provides specific maintenance recommendations tailored to your Outlander's model year and engine type. Additionally, consider taking your vehicle to an authorized Mitsubishi dealership or a qualified mechanic who specializes in Mitsubishi vehicles for routine service and maintenance to ensure that all tasks are completed accurately.